Right, welcome back. So we've just been at stop 5.3. We're making some relatively large scale observations of the west bank of exposure on the west bank of the Isabella River. And now what we're doing is moving from stop 5.3 down to stop 5.4. So still looking at the Roda Sst sandstone body, but a little bit lower down below what we could see in the cliff face before, so down below where the trees were. Still looking across at the west bank, and we can focus here again at a smaller scale. So here we're looking down the scale of individual sedimentary structures. And this is definitely worth a field sketch. So this is a really nice exposure. So this is what we can see there. This is a photo montage that's been cut into two sections. So the bit on top joins up on the right hand end to the bit on the bottom. If you can see, the area in the black box is the same on the upper and lower parts of the photo montage. And what you can see in here is basically one set of crossbeds which extends all the way across from top left down to bottom right. You can also see that set of crossbeds. I mean, this is medium grain sandstone predominantly in the whole of the Roda sandstone. But you can see within that set of crossbeds, you can pick out the faucets and the crossbeds really clearly, and that's because there's thin clay partings along those faucets, and they're present all the way through that crossbed, or that crossbed set as we pass from left to right. I'm going to zoom in a minute and show you a bit more about what that looks like. But what we want to capture here in your sketches is basically the distribution of that clay within that crossbed set. So in other words, does the clay extend all the way from the base, the bottom set in the crossbed up the faucet all the way to the top? Does it only extend part of that way? Can we also say something about the spacing of those clay partings? Are they uniformly spaced? Are there differences in their spacing? And to help you answer that, the next photograph is zooming in, I think, on this part of this photo montage, just to see a little bit more detail in there. So again, you can see once you do get up close, you can maybe get a sense now that there is some fine grained material present along those faucets, which is giving rise to the weathering back a little bit, but it makes the crossbedding very obvious. So the best thing to look at to get a sense, to be able to look at the photo montage and zoom in and out, there's a PDF. There's a PDF of a photo panorama, and the title is something like Crossbeds in Roda Sandstone. That's in the box, and the same photo panorama is present in the combined PDF of the slides and plus photo montages for today. So I'd recommend that you sketch with that. You'll be able to zoom in and move out, pull back from in the PDF, and you'll be able to make observations across a range of scales that you can capture on your sketches. Okay, so let's switch back to MS Teams now. We can look for that photo montage to work on, and we'll give you an idea about how much time you've got to make that sketch.